center of memory be that the center of emotions, feelings, hunger, desire, anything we say human being they feel and they get some response where it has do to understand that particular message. Now for brain and spinal cord, now two of them, the brain and its elongation, which is the spinal cord, now then get that particular function of responding to stimulus. Good. Nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, they divided into brain and spinal cord. Now the second one, the peripheral nervous system. This one sweet way. Number one, which I want to tell you now under the peripheral nervous system. Now they connect the central nervous system to all part of the body. The peripheral nervous system, now they connect the central nervous system. In work now to connect, which will be the central nervous system, brain and the spinal cord. Now the peripheral nervous system, they connect both the brain and spinal cord to all part of the body. So the peripheral nervous system is responsible for connecting the central nervous system to all parts of the body, to all parts of the body. So that's its function. That's the function of the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is divided into the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system function is to connect the central nervous system to all parts of the body. And it is divided into are you seeing cranial nerves? It consists of the cranial nerves, the spinal nerves, and the autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system. The peripheral nervous system now it is divided into this. We get cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and the autonomic nervous system. But for some textbooks now, which una will see be this. So make una no dey confused. Una first thing see they will say PNS is divided into autonomic and somatic. Autonomic and somatic nervous system. So this somatic consists or comprises of both these cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. But for some textbooks, this is how they are going to be listed out as the parts or the types of the peripheral nervous system. So we'll define nerves in our next video so that you can understand what nerves are, so that you don't get a black picture about what we're trying to talk about. So now we don't kill plenty things for this video. We don't talk about nervous system. We don't talk say it gets assistance from your own brother where they help us coordinate, which is the endocrine or hormonal system. So these two, they come together to coordinate all the feelings and anxiety, emotions, things what they feel and how they take response to our external stimulus. We can't talk say this particular nervous system because that's our center of that is where we're trying to paint out so that you understand. So the central nervous system now it can't be divided into two. It is divided into the nervous system is divided into the central nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is divided into the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system is divided into the somatic and autonomic or cranial nerves, the spinal nerves, and the autonomic nervous system. Then we continue and say the function of PNS, peripheral nervous system, now to connect that particular central nervous system will be the brain and the spinal cord to all parts of the body. So today, this is where I actually want to talk about key points. So I'm pretty I'm very sure that you guys have a better picture of what the nervous system is. You do not have to read lengthy to understand what this picture is all about. Just get the key points. What is a nervous system? What is its responsibility? What does it come together with to connect, to be able to control coordination? What are the types of nervous system? They are divided into two. What are those types also, and what are their functions? So now we'll talk about the brain. The brain is divided into the forebrain. Just some key points about brain. Forebrain,